Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring your device is online and the browser or Google app is updated. That avoids unexpected prompts. Next, open accounts. Google.com or the Google app and tap Sign In. Enter the email address or phone number associated with the account you created. If you just registered, use that new address. Once done, press Next and prepare to enter the password. Make sure your recovery phone or email is nearby in case Google asks for verification. You now enter the account password carefully. If you mistyped earlier, use the Show option to confirm characters. After the password, Google often requests a second factor. Choose the method you set up: SMS code, Google prompt on another device, or an authenticator code. Approve the sign-in only on devices you recognize. If asked, review the device and location details. This is why you see prompts, to prevent unauthorized access. Once verified, Google proceeds to load your account settings. You finish by checking sync options, privacy settings, and recovery contacts so you can regain access later. Make sure two-step verification is active and store backup codes in a safe place. This prevents future lockouts. If the sign-in completes, confirm email, drive, and app access work. If something goes wrong, like forgotten password or no 2FA device, use the recovery email or phone immediately and follow the account recovery flow. That single step usually restores access if you provide accurate recovery details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.